Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting physical connections right. Plug the Chromecast into an available HDMI port and attach power using the TV's USB or a wall adapter. Once done, switch the TV to that HDMI input so you see the Chromecast setup screen. Make sure your phone or tablet has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on, then open or install the Google Home app. This app is how you configure device settings and link your Chromecast to your network. Open Google Home and choose to set up a new device. The app locates your Chromecast and shows a pairing code. Verify it on the TV to ensure secure pairing. Next, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password so the Chromecast can stream. Name the device and assign it a room for voice control and organization. Make sure to install any firmware updates the app prompts you to. They improve performance and compatibility. And enable guest mode if you want visitors to cast without your Wi-Fi password. To use Chromecast, open a supported app or Chrome browser and tap the cast icon, then select your Chromecast to start streaming. You control playback, volume, and subtitles from your phone or supported TV remote. To stop, tap the cast icon and disconnect. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast, your phone, and the router. Confirm you selected the correct Wi-Fi band and entered the right password. Also make sure Chromecast firmware and the Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.